Hello, it's the Humor Master, and it's the Brick Force gameplay finally! And we'll be building in Brick Force today. Let's just wait. Oh my god, I like the music. Okay. We'll be playing on the free build place today. And this is a new video since for a long time I did not post a lot of videos, and here's the next one, and I'm using Fraps. Oh, I already got permission to build. Oh, hello. The hell is this? Oh, it's a tower. Okay. Thank you. A nice wall. Okay, let's just test if I could use the deco bricks using a column. Okay, let's replace it with that. Okay, I can. Thank you. Just erase that. I feel like making a fireplace. Let's get the fire. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, wait. Yeah, okay. Let's build it. What is he building? I think he's building like a house or something. Just never mind. Let's just build a fireplace. Place that one there. Place it right there. There. Oh, forgot one. There. There. Wait. Okay. Let's just make a wall. Let's just make another wall. Wall. Okay. Oh, snap. Okay. Boop. Boop. Faster way. Boop, boop. Boop. Okay, let's make a roof. Let's jump. Boop. Okay, let us put the wood. Just dig a hole here. Press the wood. Snap. Oh crap, it's wooden planks. Okay, let's just use that. Let's put a log. Okay, logs. Okay, we're done with the fireplace. Yay! Woohoo! It's so cool. Oh, some random hole. Oh, cool. It's like glass. What should we do now? Just look around the world. Let's do frame around. Okay, let's just go to the house. Whoa. Here, this is when I lit the stuff on fire. And now, we're at the house he built. Now I'm gonna ask him if he wants a fireplace. No, he does not want it. Okay, bye. See you guys, this is the Humor Master. Subscribe, like, favorite, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.